Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Tiny and Tidy. I'm Vishali and I am determined to motivate you to get your messy, disorganized space nice and tidy. We're a family of 5 and we live in an 850 square foot condo in downtown Toronto. Today I'm going to give you guys a tour of my kids' unisex shared bedroom and share some of the organization tips that worked in their small bedroom. Stick around till the end of this video because I'll be sharing a freebie that will definitely help you out. Now don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below because I'll be posting a useful video just like this one every single week. Before I start, just a heads up that if you're looking for any of the products that I mentioned in this video, they are linked in the description box down below. Our condo is a 2-bedroom plus den. We converted the den into a nursery/storage area, and that's where baby Josh sleeps. As for our other 2 kids, Kian and Isha, they share this small bedroom. I decided to put their beds against the wall and the balcony window so that they'd have an open space in the middle of their room for them to play. Their beds are toddler beds from IKEA. I couldn't get them bunk beds since they're too young, and I love these beds because they're so easy to assemble, they're inexpensive, and they're high enough so that I can store things underneath their beds. We use the chest of drawers to store things like baby wipes, towels, and other home goods. We actually don't even use it for Kian and Isha's stuff. This large cabinet is for all sorts of supplies like paper, craft supplies, gift wrap materials, etc. Again, not really used for Kian or Isha's stuff. It's a good idea to use vertical space when you're in a small space. So I've put these bins on top of this cabinet. One of them is for items that need to be donated, and the other holds the clothing that Kian has grown out of and will be handed down to Josh. I use the walls behind their bedroom door to hang some folding chairs, and we use these chairs whenever we have guests and need some extra seating. I use cloth diapers on Josh and store them in this shoe organizer on the back of their bedroom door. Part of their play area is in our living room and part of it is in their bedroom. They have a dress-up area, a kitchen, and an area for their books in their bedroom. If you want to know more about playroom organization, I suggest you check out this video where I went into greater detail on how to organize a playroom. I like having this rug in the middle of the room. Isha actually does use it to play hopscotch, and it's nice for them to have a rug to play on. We don't have a dining table, so the kids just used this little table that I moved back and forth from the living room to their bedroom. The top was originally white, but they damaged it with markers, so I covered it with chalkboard paper. As for their clothing, I added an extra rod so that I could hang Isha's clothing on top and Kian's on the bottom. As for items that aren't hung like underwear, socks, and shorts, I store them in these pink and blue containers. I also added these shoe racks to not only increase their shoe storage, but I was also able to create another level of shelving with these shoe racks. To personalize their own little spaces, I gave them different colored bedding, put their names on the wall, and I put this shadow box with items from when they were born in it. Isha loves pink and loves butterflies, so I put some of those on her wall. Again, just a reminder that all the products are linked in the description box down below. And there you have it, guys. That is how I managed to create a shared bedroom for my son and my daughter.
Hi, Spock! Hey, girly pops! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is probably something you never expected to see on my channel because, as you guys know, I'm not going to college. This would be the time that I would be if I chose to, and all of my friends are basically. So, I'm making this video because my friend Susie is moving to college and I'm going to help her move into her dorm, and she basically texted me before I even had this video idea, and she was like, can you please just take over decorating my dorm for me because I don't know how to do it, and I really love decorating. As you can see from my apartment, not everyone agrees with my decorating style for my apartment tour video, but I like it, and apparently Susie does too. So I went to Target, bought all of the decorations and supplies and stuff, which is on my vlog channel if you want to see that portion. But today we're gonna go over there. It is college move-in day actually, so it's kind of a college move-in day vlog too. It started at 8 a.m. and you guys know I just can't really wake up at that time, so it's like 12 now. They're not fully done with all the stuff that she bought, but I'm just gonna go in there and start decorating. So that's what this vlog is gonna be. So let's go do that. This is Belle and I's dorm. It's called Cut, and yeah, I'm really excited. It's really beautiful if you look around. If you look around. Okay, these are the decorations I got, and we're just gonna do all the rest.
Do it.
So as you can see, especially starting out, I really had no idea what to do with myself. I keep walking back and forth, looking at other people doing things, and then occasionally Susie would tell me what to do and then I would understand what to do, but for the most part I was standing around. And then I realized, oh, I can put her shoes in her closet, so I started doing that. And honestly, I really need to get this shoe caddy thing for my own closet because you can fit so many shoes vertically. And then we were all smelling her little essential oils, which I also really want to get. The lavender one was very calming and I really enjoyed that one. And then I'm going to hang up the string lights as I'm showing you. So I'm opening those up, and honestly, these string lights I definitely recommend getting from Target. They really just made the place come together, and we strung them all along the top of their dorm, and they were long enough to reach the entire wall. So I really recommend that. And now let's get into the tips and tricks of decorating a small space. So since a lot of this video is just montages and me filming certain things that we're hanging up, I thought I would sit here again in my little gaming cube circle and do a little voiceover of tips and tricks for small rooms or even dorms. If you are moving into a college dorm, you probably already did, but maybe you're just watching this because you like watching me decorate apartments and rooms and stuff like that. So in my notes, I have shelves, obviously. Honestly, I think Susie could have used another shelf because she still had another like layer of things that she could have used above her desk. Her roommate made a really good use of a bunch of different shelving. As you can see in the video, she fit a lot of stuff in there. I mean, shelving just kind of obvious. You can just hang stuff up on your wall. Number 2 is the lights. I love the light bulbs across the entire windowsill. That really added a lot, I think. And then we also had fairy lights that we didn't get to hang up yet, but I think those really make a room a lot cozier. And my dog is puking. He always makes that noise, but he never actually pukes. It's like a little fake out. So lights for sure. Number 3 are pictures. Susie only had one thing of pictures above her bed, and that was probably like one of the cutest parts of it because it's just so personal. And her roommate had a big thing of pictures, and I felt like that was the cutest piece and like a really nice centerpiece. And something I love about my apartment is this Polaroid wall. I think it's just the best thing about places is pictures. Next up, a lot of cork boards. Corkboards for some reason just look cute. I don't know why they look cute, but I think that they do. And then you can also hang stuff up there like your homework or more pictures or just decorative things. You can really hang up anything. Next is their carpet. The fluffy carpet just really tied it all together, and it was really nice to just lay down on. You could study on that carpet and it made it look very cozy and homey. So I know carpets can be kind of expensive, but if you can just, I don't know, invest in one good. I love how people always say invest, even though like you're not gonna get a return on your investment from buying a carpet, but it will feel nice and look nice in your dorm or room. Next, for the closet, this was the biggest room space saver, is vertical shelving. The ones that you can get from IKEA that just have all the shoes, I honestly want to get that for my closet because all my shoes are just scattered everywhere, but that really like saved so much space, is the vertical shelving. And then she also had another one just for sweaters and shirts and stuff like that, and I honestly should probably use that in my own closet because it was such a great use of space. Lastly are hooks. Hooks. You can hang stuff up like your hats, your towels, your purses. It looks decorative and it's also useful at the same time, which is most things on my list. Decorative, but also functional. If you're going to move into a small apartment, small dorm, or just want to spice up your own bedroom, then I recommend getting the things on my list. And yeah, that was my little voiceover gaming cube circle. So enjoy the dorm tours and stuff.
Hi, so this is my dorm. The cute stuff comes first. That's my roommate's.
Oh wait, this is cute.
Yeah, her little welcome. This is mine. This is hers. This is her decorative, practical side.
This is so cute.
Yeah. And then this is her bed, her corkboard, all of that. I'm bringing my white nightstand here, so just like pinpoint place, you know. I'm also getting a new comforter. This is my comforter. For now, temporary. And I got a diffuser. And this is my side. Thank you to Haley and my mom. If it weren't for them, it would have literally no decorations because I'm not really a decorative eye kind of person. That's my jewelry. Has several like, little things and yeah.
What about your closet?
Oh, and my I'll show my side of the closet. It's a little crazy. It's a little crazy right now. Not gonna lie. Haven't hung up my clothes yet. My clothes is mainly just in my drawers. Yeah. And then wait, show my cowboy boots.
She loves her
Those
cowboy
are my
boots.
cowboy boots. Right there. And yeah, I think that's it. See you or on Wednesday with Dad. Thursday. Right.
Any last words?
Hook 'em horns.
I'm so excited to be going to college now.
I'm excited to be going to college though.
Okay, that was honestly really scary. There were so many teenagers running around.
Yeah, when I first brought Haley, so I brought her inside, got her from outside, obviously took her into the cafeteria, and Haley was like sweating. She's like, it's so hot in here.
Okay, whenever I get nervous, I just like zone out and I just go into my shell and just don't do anything.
It's
That was like
cute.
a lot of female teenage girls to be handling, but this was fun.
And that's Belle.
Yeah? Do you want to give a tour of your side?
She keeps her
Okay.
like that.
This is my nightstand. Has some fruit. If you want some. Here's my bed. Got some pictures. And then, like, don't look over here, but there's like my
This looks so
jewelry and school stuff.
Wow.
Yes.
Alrighty, so we also have a bonus dorm tour from my friend Kristen. She has a different layout, so I thought it'd be fun to show. They actually have a sink in their college dorm, which everyone was very jealous of, and her closet was also a lot bigger. So as you can see, there's a lot more room to play with here. Susie was also very jealous of this. And then I really like this area that she used for her food, and there's just lots of drawer space. As you can see, they got their 2 beds kind of set up in the middle here, and their nice fluffy rug, as you can see, like I said about the rugs. And then she has her desk, and like I said, her pictures are right there, which I really, really love. The pictures, this side is just very personalized because of her pictures, I feel like. So yeah, that's a cute little tour, and she has a nice view.